Yes. So what I don't know, say One Nation and Imara Nation, we're going to continue with the Tavi Zoey video where she pull up on Arjay. So this is part 2 of Tavi Zoey and Arjay. You see me? Because she pull up on friend yard and she bad up the G. I mean, I telling her only just listen when people talk, and when people talk, you can't hear. That girl that deal with that nigga like shit because you can't hear she talk to him. She's demanding in her speech. And you are trying to get back in his good graces because of a prank that you pulled that you went too far. And everybody says you take the youth for fool. So what we are going to do now, we are going to continue and we are continue analyze and see what going on. See me? Tavi Zoey pulling up on RJ. Let's go.
You make me almost fight a girl.
Yo, you listen, if you're not gonna let me talk, just go on.
I'm not going no way.
This can't offside. Me can't talk and you are respond.
Watch
no, that's not the point. The point is that you prank me with a girl and me and the girl almost fight. And you come going like say what in your feelings over one prank.
So how much prank you pull off for me?
So what?
So what?
Sign up feet.
Sign up feet. So you never sign up for prank them with him though?
Because you know move like say I understand me I try to say.
You're not
the
understanding.
position of my inner, nothing at all.
You're not understanding me. What kind of position? Stop playing victim for me there.
What victim?
You play victim brother over one prank.
If you walk on the road now, all people address you.
People be not address me. You don't see the comments down below. They must say me wicked and me no wicked when you been a half girl. That's why you're in the friend zone. You never show loyalty yet.
Wow.
You never show say you can keep one girl yet.
Wow. Well, I could pause that right there, sir. How the fuck does that make sense? How the fuck does a single man show you loyalty if you never blood clot there with him? Stop trying to take the man for fool, man. Stop trying to take the man for fool, mama. Come on, man. Oh, that's why I'm keeping in the friend zone. Yo, you're shame the man and I blame the man. Victim blaming. That's why I'm keeping in the friend zone because you're not loyal. How does that make sense? That's why he's in the friend zone because him not sure you say him loyal. Or him not sure you say him loyal if he's never there with you. And everybody can tell from the pranks them, how the man risk him life for you with the attempted robbery prank and them thing, the other man talk boy, the other man treated them thing, they show so the man care for you deeply. And you know that. So we are trying to know with your look manipulation tactics now, try to gaslight the man and trying to make him be the victim. You can't do that, mama. We are watching you. We are watching, mama. You can't do that. We'll continue real quick.
I can pass the friend zone just because you have too much females. And you come and pursue me behind camera.
Yes. I'm single.
Anyways, guys, this is what me I say. Like, me and Arjay gonna make no more video. I've tried to fix it, and this brother go on like say him no want to fix shit.
Put that shit on
you can't tell me what to do, and you don't put shit out there.
Yeah, tell me what to do.
You already done put the things out there already. So you can't tell me what to do. What you mean by what you put out there? What you mean? Go back, go look what you put out there.
What? The only thing that I put out was the situation between
Chuck You can't tell me what to do, RJ.
Wow. Disrespect.
You cannot tell me what to do.
Disrespect. You not rate the man.
The
man no want up on camera, mama.
Post them type of shit there anymore. Just build
you can't tell me what to do. I'm here come where you go later. Where you go later, I'm coming. You can't tell me nothing.
Boy, the private location, anyways.
Well, not private.
The disrespect. She not take nothing serious.
Yeah, girl, we need to ash this out, yo, and stop one like you're idiot.
Yeah, bro, when I get the pull again, dog.
Brother,
we need to ash this out. Me nah come out, bro.
Yo, what's up, no?
Stop now.
Stay in the yard if you want.
Stop.
Alright. But I'm not going to make because you're talking to I'm going to make the money himself to go me and do that.
Well, me I walk. Where you go? Stop now, RJ. We need to solve the situation, yo. Like, we need to talk. We need to talk. Stop now.
Do not put that. Zoey, let go from my shirt now, please, and thanks.
Stop now. Stop now. Me
Zoey,
not
done. Stop.
No.
Stop.
No.
Stop.
Where you go later?
Stop.
Where you go later?
You're not.
Me I come. You can't me not go dash our friendship over one stinking prank.
Well, I know. So you know. So when me choose to not perform when you dead, you know.
You cannot tell me. You can't tell me. Stop now. Stop. No. Stop. We're gonna start this out and stop going like you can't dash from a friendship, you idiot, we are friends. We can't make them shit get between we. We need to talk.
Pause that real quick. This girl is a major manipulator, brother. You see me? And if you don't learn from this, anything we reach after this, brother, your fault. You see me? Because we don't see she controlling, we don't see she run your head based on how she speak. No, she physically will not let you go away. meaning that she's putting her hands on you, restricting your access to freedom. You see me? So with her doing that, it shows with her doing that and how she's speaking, her tone of voice, telling you that you can't tell her what to do or what to say, it shows that she has no respect for you at all. Zero. She only need back the youth around her. We are going to validate her 24/7. We are going to tell her, yo, she look good and, you see me, as me say in the other video, them, oh, no man not deserve anything. Just inflate your ego. That's all you need the dog around for. You see me, and it's super sad because him didn't even realize what going on in the car. It look like him, well, I would say back then him never realized. Now the dog wise up, the dog smart, you know, the dog are doing thing and the dog not take not chat. Arjay, big up yourself. Me give you a blood clot sound effects for that. Yeah, man. Yeah, stand up for yourself, brother. Go continue.
We need to talk.
Alright. Yeah. You try talk to you sometime in the week, right, bro?
In a which week?
Yeah,
no,
man.
bro. Me a come and stop.
Yeah, I tell you, Zoey,
What?
this is my first performance.
I don't care. I'm coming.
She don't care. She keep telling us
Me a come.
how
You
she
can't
feels.
tell more
She don't care.
Stop.
Yo. Zoey, just
What?
call your peoples, they make them come pick you. And just go on, yo. Just make my head continue breeze now.
Stop, no, RJ. Where you know what? Alright.
You can't try to show no understanding how we wanna try to.
No understanding, brother. She not rate you.
So you want, yeah, that's how you want it. You want to stop my video.
I did.
You want to stop being friends.
The man never said that.
You want to stop.
Man never said that.
Put words in my mouth.
You want to stop everything. Alright, fine.
Me and you never hold no argument about that.
No, but me I come. You can't tell me about me not come. Like we always do stuff together. So I want the excitement.
She still not get it. She still not get it.
I'ma have my song what me need for Vice too. So like.
All that drop in. Where your song come from, nobody gives a fuck. Nobody want to hear that. The man don't want you around because he gotta stay focused. You really don't give a fuck about this nigga because the man tell us, yo, mama, yo, that's Bill. My first performance, I gotta stay focused. I gotta be tuned in. I gotta make sure so when I perform, the people them love when me a blood clot do. You see me I say? So it's like, all right then. If you forward, you are gonna really fuck up my vision. You're gonna fuck up my sight. You're gonna fuck up my emotion. I'm gonna stay focused. And you don't understand that. No, you understand. You just don't give a fuck because it's all about you in the end. It's all about Tavi Zoey. Arjay, me feel sorry for you. A years you and what word them I look for? A years you encounter them blood clot dirty living here, brother. I feel sorry for you, brother. Rough, my general. Go continue.
Cause you freaking upset me. You go on social media and I do the most you are the girl. Are you kidding me? Why you fuck girl in a studio and I'm excited?
That not nothing to do with you.
Bring up about that.
Yeah, not nothing to do with you.
Why you? Because you need feelings. You can't any feelings that you need for go sexy girl and them shit there?
Yes.
No, but yo.
And then so you're gone to, you just fling your cocky?
Yes.
Fuck the girl, you make it, yo.
No, but you just have tweele too, swingle your teely because why you in your feelings, RJ.
No,
that don't call for.
I just want to fuck off her. That's all. I never try to replace no shit. Come on, watch that Rasta video.
Of course, you be a while. Me tell you for me put talk about it, you be a while.
Well, I'm talking now, yo. I'm talking now. I'm telling you, you can't talk and you know, and you move like she don't want me to hear. But just fuck her, for fuck's sake. Zane, I fuck her, she post about, she want this for me and Zoey. She want me to be better than Zoey. YouTube shit and all that.
And why you tell her that if you never did real to me, why you did that entertain me as your friend?
Hold on, again, I never look upon her until after that fuckery happened.
True. Yeah.
Zane, get that in your head. I never did that look at her one time I did the video. I never did that try to fuck her. I never did that try to go after her.
Wow.
Anyways, I'm coming.
She don't care.
Just breeze.
You can't tell me what to do.
Can't tell her what to do. Mama not chat, brother. You see me? Not chat.
Just breeze.
No, me not breeze.
Yeah, I pay about the people my money if I not perform just because I get
no,
distracted
brother.
by you.
I want me to the song. You may say, look. I go studio today and I go let out my feelings, Arjay, because I feel like I saw this, I got this, just now I go so like that.
Whoa, hold up. I drop a song yesterday. I don't say never hear your name tonight.
I don't care.
The
you
whole,
think of you,
you know,
I don't care. I'm going to make a song because I know say me are talking at the song. And me are talking at the song, RJ. And me are talking at the song.
What about the brownie when the brownie when my power can't fuck around my heart?
Me did I fuck around your heart, liar? And me are talk. So for that, you may go right back a song for you.
I never say yeah fuck around. I never, yo, stop record that fuck.
No, alright, hold on. As a matter of fact, I don't talk to you. Go on where you go. You can't go on here.
Pause that real quick. I made the video yesterday. I'm a review Arjay song, a music video. I'm gonna see a couple people a comment talking about the browning where I talk about in the song I'm Gun. I wanna love Gun so much. I wanna love Bumbo Clot Gun so much. I not even listen to the blood clot lyrics. I wanna tell me about the browning where I talk about a gun. How that blood clot makes sense? How can a gun play with the man's emotions? The man said the browning in part can't fuck with him heart. How a gun is going to fuck with him heart, him feelings, him emotions. When you don't listen to lyrics, when you just think say once a year browning is a gun in attack. I'm glad say I review the video because it's literally right here and this is clarification for the people who don't understand the lyrics. On a comprehension skills stuck in a basic school. The man said the browning on my parrot can't fuck with him heart. How is a gun going to fuck with your heart? And on the company internet trying to be right. One thing in me, you know. When I call myself a blood clot right and right, it's either they can listen to me or don't listen to me, you know. I'm a human being, I'm wrong, I'm right sometimes. But on the comprehension skill is below average. Oh, the browning we might talk about a one gun. See it right here in the fucking video right here, them a clarify it. Them a talk about the girl. Me say, yo, you know, we might talk about Tavi Zoey, you know. Yo, dog, the bro, we might talk about a gun. We don't love gun too much, man. We don't love gun too much. Take it easy. Continue.
Me never did say. Well, I know. Me never did say. Me never did say. Yo, me ask you to girl start move like you know sense.
Since every man talk about them feelings in a song, me I go do it because the one on YouTube disgusting. When we
y'all listen or not, y'all listen or not.
What?
Me never did say ya fuck around my heart.
That's what you said in the song.
Everybody in the media, I would say you are with me.
And that's not the case, bro. That is not the case.
Me don't talk no
stop move like talk to me no
yo,
more.
Me don't talk no.
Come go away. Anyway, I go later, me I come.
Oh my God. Yo. Everybody have everybody have it say you're ramp on my heart. Me just make it clear say the brownie when me power with can't fuck around my heart.
And me a tag. Anyways, man, stop talking. Anyways, go on where I go. Don't deal with me, brother. Guys, yo, bro. Hear me I say. Don't send them to me. Don't send. No, but RJ too disgusting, bro. You're too disgusting because you know what you do. You play a victim. Don't send them to me. Me tell you for me, since you don't want to friggin' answer the phone, well, we're going to solve it, so. But sometime in a which week you idiot. Hear me and say stop say something to me.
Man, no, I hear you, mama.
See RJ friggin' stay. So me I come go my yard and if him feel like say, oh him not me just feel like we friendship no need to end like pan a shitty note like this and it not gonna end because RJ need to like open up him eyes and realize certain things.
Madness.
There is two sides to this story. So for all who don't want to say about Ray and Tay. No, like me not in my feelings if RJ wants sex a girl, but me know RJ. You get what I'm saying? Me know RJ and him just a do it out of hurt and out of venting or whatsoever. I might try to vent and I try to fight. It can't go and do people girl fitness, so. No, bro, no.
Look who's talking.
No, it don't make no sense. No.
Look who's talking. That girl ain't real.
No way, Palmer, go call me right because this don't make no friggin' sense. Like
that girl is unreal.
It don't make any friggin' sense. Me just don't want to dash our friendship over some stupid ass prank. For dash our friendship over some stupid ass prank. And I come talk about anyway, yeah, go to them and find you. Like boy, you go on stage. When you look back, I me that.
Alright, anyway, the video done. Perfect. Alright, so when you see what I go on the site up what I go on really though. Pretty levels. That girl that is manipulative to the core. She don't respect RJ, so she don't respect RJ feelings. The man I tell her, say, yo, breeze me. I need to stay focused. I don't care. You can't tell me what to do. You can't tell me what to say. I keep you in the friend zone because you know display no loyalty. Oh, am I gonna display loyalty to you when time you never gave him the chance for display loyalty to you? Oh, no, you don't want him to because you're not attracted to him. You see me? You only want him around for boost up your ego 24/7. You understand me? I say that's why I want to love of Batman friend around here. You know, girl, you fine? No, sir, watch cuteness. No, sir, no girl. Cause them love bootsing up. Wanna love bootsing. You know, rate the man, and the whole of Jamaica see it. You feel like say this did I go boots your thing, but everybody see you now a negative light, you know, because everybody says yo, you take the dog for fool. You see me? I mean, I read the comments in every video, and then you know the woman them love you, but me read the comments from some of the woman them, and some of the woman them say yo, once you have a good youth, you have to just cherish that. You understand me? I say because the youth them we are talk, the girl them we are talk about where my boy them Pam, him not take them serious. You see me? I say. But you want to take the man when you talk to serious. Remember in the 876, everybody know what going on over there, you know? Mama, everybody know what going on over there, mama. And because of you rate her so much, the man take 5 pills almost kill off himself. Sleep at your door for ear if you're moan, if the man them beat your skins in the room over there. You see what I say? You all don't know say one nation and Imara nation. I don't want to feel in the comment section, you see me? Because I may be right, I may be wrong. You see me, but you don't know the things that make step. But one nation and Imara nation, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell so we can grow the family. You see me? Up move, one nation.